Alright, so I'm testing the microphone. This is without the portable mic. And this is with the portable mic. It's pretty cool. On it, it's got a few buttons. I don't know if you can see it. But there's a power button and then the recording button. Yeah, there's also a red button on the other side. I don't know what that one does. Get out! It didn't do nothing. But yeah, it's pretty cool. And you can attach this to like your shirt. Damn. Look at that shit. But, you know, I'll be doing some interviews. And what'd you think about? Uh-huh. So I just finished editing at least today's clips, but can I flip this midway? I can't. Fuck. But let me show y'all. I'm about to get ready for bed and make coffee for tomorrow.
How did you just get that?
This shit recording. It just is tight. I'm about to make coffee right now, but it's so weird because it's face tracking right now, but I can't get it to stay on what I'm doing. I'm gonna have to move around the camera. Turn this shit off. My parents aren't home right now, so it's just me and my brother. In the Philippines. Might as well just fill it up to the max. That way I don't got to do it again the next day. Ew, bro. Look at this shit. Okay. I don't know about y'all, but I like my coffee strong. Bro, I fuck with this camera so much. Why this guy like hella sagging on me though? Let me show y'all. Just in case you need to make coffee at my house. You know, you fill up the water reservoir. You put your coffee beans in. You gotta click this button. And then I'm gonna do 8 cups. That should be enough. No, I fucked up. We're gonna do auto brew. There you go. 630. I'm gonna do a big can, 8 cups. Boom. And then you see that little timer icon? That's how you know it's gonna make coffee in the morning. And yeah. We just close it up downstairs. Peace. It's time for bed. Good night. Oh damn. I can't see, bro. Fuck. I start work at 8 in the morning. I said that shit like 5 times. But I usually go to bed. Hello. I usually go to bed like at 11 on a good day. 12 is reaching it. I have a really hard time waking up in the morning. But tomorrow's Monday. Track my face while I'm talking. A bitch going. Okay, there we go. Please don't fall. Okay. So it's currently 10 o'clock right now. And right before I go to bed, I always do my skincare. You see it right here. I got like, hold on. I got a six-step routine. Or at least 6 products I put on my face at night. My first step, of course, is to fucking shower. You know, it gets your face like all your pores opened up. One thing I like to do when I do my skincare is smoke. I usually, you know, between each step, I'll take a hit. That way I can go right to bed right after I'm done. But yeah, also I think I'm gonna turn the mic transmitter off because I have nowhere to clip it at, and I don't want to get this shit wet. So yeah, let's go.